Understanding the balance, screen time and activity.
Many kids spend hours each day on devices, which can limit physical activity. Striking a balance between screen time and movement is important for healthy growth. Learning how much time children spend on screens versus being active is the first step to finding solutions that work for your family.
Why physical activity matters for kids.
Regular exercise supports healthy bones, muscles, and emotional well-being. Active kids often sleep better, concentrate more in school, and build lifelong healthy habits. The recommended goal is at least 1 hour of moderate to vigorous activity every day. Helping children meet this goal is key to their overall health.
Setting screen time limits.
Establishing boundaries helps manage device use. Try setting clear daily limits for recreational screen time, such as no more than 2 hours. Use timers or device features to help kids stick to the rules. Consistency makes limits easier to follow and encourages children to explore offline activities.
Making movement fun and accessible.
Kids are more likely to be active if it feels like play, not a chore. Try family walks, bike rides, dance parties, or obstacle courses at home. Encourage participation in sports or active games. Tailoring activities to your child's interests helps them stay engaged and look forward to being active.
Creating a supportive environment.
Parents and caregivers play a big role by setting examples and providing support. Limit screens in bedrooms and during meals, and make time for shared physical activities. Praise effort instead of just results, and choose active outings as a family. Small changes add up, helping children develop a healthy relationship with both screens and exercise.